The robot industry is akin to the PC industry 30 years ago. If you think back to the recessionary 80s, thousands moved into high-paying new jobs in personal computers, building an industry that powered 2 decades of U.S. economic growth. Robots are the next revolution. Why? Robotics, in short, provide precision and speed without risk and at a tiny fraction of the cost of human labor. TCT has emerged as the pioneer in robotic component manufacturing, and we can show you how to grab terrific ROI and repeat business for yourselves by using TCT's Robotic Truss Assembly System. The TCT Robotic Truss Assembly System is a complete cutting, assembly, stacking system. That is, the system takes full bunks of dimensional lumber and does all work necessary to produce full stacks of trusses. This process employs a bare minimum number of unskilled employees to perform the task. The process begins with our proven cutting system using 2 TCT linear feed saws equipped with TCT auto feeders. One saw is set up to cut cords while the other saw cuts webs. Each saw is integrated into the system and feeds and cuts parts according to proper build order and orientation for true just-in-time production. The saws start and stop automatically as the machine gathers cut parts, clearing the path for more parts to be processed by the saw. The web saw sends parts down a conveyor one at a time in placement order. A web handoff robot at the end of the conveyor picks up the webs at a sensored stop and then takes a measurement of the part. The part is then positioned on a staging platform. The cord saw is equipped with a splicing station. Permanent splice plates are added and fully embedded into the cords. Pitch brake joints are tethered together by staples on the edge of the wood. A tethered top and bottom are then sent down a conveyor and then transferred onto the main roller conveyor line. The machine rolls the tops and bottoms into the proper position using sensors. Next, the cords are jigged up by the fully autonomous TCT Vector Cam assembly jig. The Vector Cams clamp the cords, set the proper truss perimeter, and position the truss to receive webs. From there, the primary placement robot picks parts off of the platform and then places and staples parts into the truss. Webs get stapled to the top cord and the bottom cord of the truss to temporarily hold the truss together until permanent plates are added. A third robot handles miscellaneous staple operation as well as specialized parts. As parts are added to the truss, it passes through a servo-driven press which fully embeds both top and bottom plates at the same time. This is accomplished with a powerful vertical press outfitted with 2 sets of magnetic platens. The magnets hold the plates in place until the truss is driven between the top and bottom platens at the proper position. The plates are put on the platens using a robot with magnetic tooling. Plate bins filled by an employee are installed in reach of the robot. The robot selects the pair of plates required for the truss joint and then precisely places the plates on the magnetic platens. Finished trusses exit the building via powered roller tables into an automated power stacker. Finished truss stacks are banded and prepped for shipping. The entire system can be operated using as little as 3 employees. No other system offers this level of efficiency, flexibility, or product build per man-hour. TCT's Robotic Truss Assembly System features and benefits: dramatic labor savings, 500% increase in product build per man-hour, production flexibility, ramp production up or down with minimal impact on staffing, small footprint, reduced risk of worker injury, reliability of TCT Robotics No Worries Automation Solution, unmatched quality control, simple operation, build trusses with a touch of a button, brief user training time, state-of-the-art robotic sequencing and manufacturing software package, outstanding support and product monitoring solution. When it comes to truss manufacturing, we are the only real robot guys. Contact TCT to discuss your robotic future at 352-735-5070. ROI analysis and financing information is available on request. If you are interested in robotic floor machinery or robotic jack machinery, contact us to discuss the current development of these products as well. You can find us on the web at www.tctautomation.com.